Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Week 6 presentation on thesis statements. First, an overview of what will be covered in this presentation. How to define thesis statements, different types of thesis statements with examples, and a recap of everything that was covered. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, how do we define thesis statements? A thesis statement is a concise summary of the main point or argument of an essay, research paper, or other piece of academic writing. It serves as a roadmap for the reader, outlining the purpose and direction of the work. A thesis statement clearly states the central idea of your paper and previews your main points. It typically appears in the introduction paragraph. There are different types of thesis statements. Let's take a look at some of the types. A good thesis statement is clear and concise. A good thesis statement is arguable and provides enough information for your readers to understand your stance as they begin reading your piece. Argumentative essay. Here's an example. Social media has a negative impact on mental health due to its addictive nature, promotion of unrealistic standards, and facilitation of cyberbullying. Expository essay. Here's an example. The Industrial Revolution transformed societies by shifting from agrarian economies to industrialized ones, leading to urbanization, technological advancements, and changes in social structures. Literary analysis. Here's an example. In To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee uses the character of Atticus Finch to illustrate the importance of moral integrity and empathy in the face of prejudice and injustice. A research paper. Here's an example. Climate change poses a significant threat to global biodiversity, evidenced by the decline of species populations, alteration of ecosystems, and increased frequency of extreme weather events. Persuasive speech. Here's an example. High school students should be required to complete community service hours as a part of their graduation requirements to foster a sense of civic responsibility and engagement. Here's a recap of everything we discussed. The thesis statement clearly presents the main idea or argument that the writer will explore in their piece of writing. It provides a focus for the reader and guides the organization of the paper. If your thesis doesn't match your paper, change your thesis statement. That's it, everybody. Thanks so much.